Still wrestling with crumbs, pet hair, and dust every time you clean? Standard vacuums are bulky and inconvenient for quick cleanups, especially in cars, sofas, or tight corners. The right handheld vacuum makes cleaning easy, fast, and powerful without the hassle. In this video, I'll show you the best handheld vacuums that are lightweight, strong, and perfect for everyday messes. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Shark Cyclone PET Handheld Vacuum, a compact and capable device designed especially for homes with pets. One of the biggest problems handheld vacuums face is suction power. Many compact models struggle to lift embedded pet hair or heavier debris, leaving you frustrated after every pass. Shark addresses this with its Cyclone technology, which boosts airflow and maximizes suction in a way few handhelds manage. Whether you're working on upholstery, stairs, car seats, or pet beds, this little powerhouse gets the job done without constantly needing multiple passes. Another standout feature is the hypervelocity motor, which delivers strong, consistent suction that rivals many corded competitors. That's especially helpful when dealing with pet hair, which tends to cling stubbornly to fabric. The vacuum also includes specialized pet hair tools that make removing fur from furniture and fabric surfaces significantly easier. Despite its compact size, the dust cup is generous enough for busy cleanups, so you won't be stopping every 2 minutes to empty it. The design is ergonomic and lightweight, making it easy to angle into tight spaces, corners, or car interiors. The only downside is that it's corded, which means you'll need an outlet nearby. But that also means no battery life limitations and consistent power throughout your session. If pet hair and everyday messes are your biggest headaches, the Shark Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum earns its place on the list with strong suction, pet-focused tools, and reliable performance, making quick cleanup less of a chore. Taking the number 4 spot is the Monozell 2-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile and affordable handheld that punches above its weight for the price. What makes the Monozell stand out right away is its 2-in-1 design, meaning it can function as both a handheld vacuum and a more traditional mini vacuum with extension capabilities. This versatility lets you attack messes on a variety of surfaces, from couches and countertops to car seats and tight corners. This model uses a cordless design with a brushless motor, which helps extend runtime and improve suction efficiency compared to many budget handhelds. With multiple nozzles included, such as a crevice tool and brush attachment, you'll find it easier to tackle hard-to-reach spots or stubborn debris clinging to fabric and upholstery. One of the biggest advantages of the Monozell is its lightweight, ergonomic build, which makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without hand fatigue. Whether you're cleaning stairs, the interior of a vehicle, or pet hair stuck in furniture, this vacuum handles everyday debris without stress. That said, this isn't a powerhouse like premium models in suction strength, and heavy pet hair may require repeated passes. Battery life is decent for a handheld, long enough for quick sessions, but won't replace a full cordless system if you need extended runtime. Still, for what it offers, portability, multiple attachments, and a flexible design at an accessible price point, the Monozell 2-in-1 earns a solid spot at number 4 for anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing versatility. Claiming the 3rd spot is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum, a crowd favorite for anyone dealing with pets, kids, and everyday messes. One of the biggest headaches with handheld vacuums is dealing with pet hair, especially stubborn strands that cling to upholstery, carpet edges, and car interiors. Bissell designed this unit with that challenge in mind, and it delivers strong performance for its size. Its tangle-free brush roll and specialized pet tools make lifting embedded pet hair much easier than many handheld competitors. This model is cordless, powered by a rechargeable battery that provides dependable runtime for quick cleaning sessions. While cordless vacuums typically sacrifice some suction compared to corded units, this Bissell strikes a nice balance by offering solid, consistent power that handles pet hair, dust bunnies, crumbs, and more with ease. The vacuum also features an easy empty dirt cup, meaning you don't have to touch gross debris when it's time to toss it. The design is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for stairs, couches, car interiors, and even inside closet corners. One thing to keep in mind is that battery life is best for short bursts, perfect for daily or weekly cleanups, but not ideal for long sessions without recharging. Still, for most households, the battery duration is more than enough to handle quick jobs. For pet owners or anyone who wants a cordless handheld that tackles hair, crumbs, and everyday debris with minimal effort, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum earns its place at number 3 with its specialized tools and user-friendly design. Taking the number 2 spot is the Black + Decker Dust Buster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, a household name that's earned its reputation through reliability, solid performance, and ease of use. If you've ever noticed how quickly messes appear, even right after cleaning, you know the value of a vacuum that's ready whenever you need it. The Black + Decker Dust Buster solves that problem with its cordless convenience and strong suction, letting you handle crumbs, dust, and small debris on demand without plugging in or dragging around bulky equipment. One of the biggest advantages of this model is how lightweight and ergonomic it feels. It fits comfortably in your hand and reaches tight spaces with ease, making it great for kitchen counters, stairs, car interiors, and upholstery. The swivel head design adds flexibility, so you can angle the vacuum where traditional handhelds might struggle. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this Dust Buster offers reliable running time for quick cleanup sessions, perfect for busy homes and daily use. While it may not have the specialized pet hair tools of some competitors, its suction performance is strong for general debris, making it a versatile choice for most households. It also features an easy empty dirt bowl, which means no messy contact with collected debris when it's time to toss it. The filter is washable, making maintenance simple and cost-effective over time. If you want a dependable, everyday handheld vacuum with solid suction, excellent maneuverability, and cordless convenience, the Black + Decker Dust Buster earns the number 2 spot on our list. And taking the number 1 spot as the best handheld vacuum overall is the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, a premium powerhouse that combines incredible suction, versatility, and all-around performance. Dyson is known for pushing the boundaries of vacuum engineering, and the V8 lives up to that reputation. While it's technically a cordless stick vacuum, it converts instantly into a handheld unit with just a click, giving you the best of both worlds: full vacuum performance plus handheld mobility. That means you can clean floors, stairs, upholstery, car interiors, ceilings, and tight gaps all with one device. One of the biggest frustrations with handheld vacuums is limited suction power, especially on tougher debris or embedded dirt. Dyson solves this with its digital motor V8, which delivers industry-leading suction and consistent performance across surfaces. Whether you're lifting tracked-in sand, pet hair, cereal crumbs, or fine dust, this machine is powerful enough that you won't feel like you're constantly repeating passes. Battery life is excellent for a cordless machine. You'll get plenty of runtime for most household cleanup tasks, and because it powers down efficiently, you won't find yourself scrambling for an outlet mid-cleaning session. The V8 also comes with multiple attachments, including a mini motorized tool that's especially great for pet hair and stubborn debris on furniture. The hygienic dirt ejector makes emptying the bin clean and easy, no gunk under your nails. If you want the ultimate handheld experience, meaning strong suction, versatile use, cordless freedom, and long-lasting battery, the Dyson V8 earns the number 1 spot on our list and stands out as the best handheld vacuum you can buy today.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!